Why? Good choice, because we had no choice. Count 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3, white. And a little touch of pink. Thank you. Har. Kuya, thank you. Thank you, ha? Don't turn me down, kuya. Joke. Okay! This time, no fooling around. Real life rabbit. 1, 2, 3. Hey, thank you. Oh, wait. I have an idea. With the use of this chicken, I can turn this chicken into a parrot. Yeah! Good idea? With the help of my bag. Don't worry. Here's the process. Okay. Okay, very busy, ha? Okay, here's the process. I'll put this chicken inside of this bag and poof, magic parrot. Yes! Like that. Okay, so every magician's bag is totally empty. JR, touch my bag. Just say yes if there's something. You feel something? You feel something? Meron. Okay. Don't lift my bag. You ruined my career. Robin, touch my bag. Huh? Meron? Okay, this way! You feel something? Okay, don't worry. Check this out. Let's find out. A dead hamster. Would you like to see this? It's dead! Harness! Oh, look, harness. Guys, relax. It's a keychain. Imported from Divisoria. Okay, anyway, let's go. Oh, wait! Are you familiar with this? Ew! God! It's a frog! It's a frog. Okay, right? The kids has vanished. Where's the kid? Magically, they're gone. Okay, don't worry. It's only a frog imported from Quiapo with a zipper wallet. Okay, anyway, let's go. Chicken and bag and parrot. Music 1. Music 2. Where's the parrot? No worry. The answer is in this game. Okay, better watch this because this is gonna be fast. Count 1 to 3. 1, 2. Okay, guys, help me. Please read this. Okay.